Nobody, no matter how good that one product is, nobody can build a business or any kind of success on one product. Nobody can build a business or any kind of success on one product.
What are you talking about? My clients have generated well over $1.5 million in sales with just one product. Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we are where are we? Savage Garden in London, Tower Hill. We have another 10K and 100K award ceremony today. So just setting up. It's going to be wicked. Make sure if you are interested in this sort of content, you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. Let's get into the video straight away. I thought I'd just do a very quick video before everyone arrives. We're just setting up a few barrels because, I don't know why barrels, but we've got Will here helping setting up. We've got Ollie who's going to be a videographer, and we have also a photographer as well. I'm obviously dressed very, very smart, but the reason we're here is these. So, the alcohol. No, we've got some 10K awards, we've got some 100K awards as well, which I'll show you later. We also have more people that couldn't make it, unfortunately. I'll send them out tomorrow. I'll put a video up on Instagram, or a picture up on Instagram, showing all those on the table. Then we have some little goodie bags as well. Let's get rid of that, all my shoes. In the goodie bags, we have a lovely high-class Seller Pro Academy notepad and pen, along with a lovely copy of the one product strategy for these guys. Hopefully people will be arriving very, very soon. I'm probably not going to be able to record much, but I will try and get some people's thoughts, feelings about what they think about the training, kind of any lessons that they learn getting to that 10K or that 100K mark. And I'll definitely try and get some interviews with some of the 100K club members as well. But for now, enjoy the B-roll, enjoy the testimonials, enjoy what these guys think, and I'll probably catch you at the end of the day.
You will reach the milestone, which I think is really important, which is why I created these awards in the first place, is so that you can kind of have something physical to have at home, even if you just throw it in the bin or just like put it in the corner in a drawer. Quite often we're obviously shipping stuff from Amazon all the time, and we get disjointed to where we started from. We started with 0 to the first 10K, to the first 100K, to the first 1 million, the first 10 million. So the first person I'd like to bring up is going to be Joe. Yeah. Love it.
Thank you.
Well done, mate. We have Chris. Where's Chris? Come on down, Chris.
Thank you very much.
Well done, mate. Well done. Congratulations.
Thanks, buddy.
Yes, Chris.
Solid.
Congratulations, dude. We're going to go first with Son and Eve. Congratulations, guys. Well done. Next, we have Mr. Jansen. Come on down. Second time around. Yeah. Come on down. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. All yours. Jason, come on down. Well done. All yours. So awesome. That is everyone. That is everyone, actually. So yeah, thank you guys. Get some more drinks. Johnny, why is the 10K bigger than the 100K? Well, because I spent too much on the 10K ones, I was like, shit, I need to make them lighter. They're too expensive.
It's very insightful, and we've found it to be very, very helpful, especially the Facebook group as well, where all the like-minded people get together and share ideas. That's been very helpful. We've done it logically, step by step, so each step that we've done was very relevant. We've got our eyes on the 100K, definitely. That's very much achievable now.
I think what's been beneficial for the course for me is just a resource that I can just go to whenever I need. If I've got a question or I've got a query, wow, maybe I want to get ungated in a certain category, what do I do? First thing, I go straight to Johnny's course and I get it up, and it's all there. So whatever you need to find out, it's at your fingertips. Although there are things on YouTube you can probably go and find, you want to spend hours and hours trying to find something, having the course available and there, you can just go straight to what you need. So it's a great resource for that. You can follow each step and know you're doing everything correct and right, you know. So yeah, it's great for that. It's great for that. To be honest, I thought it'd be bigger. I thought it'd be like this. I think maybe that big would have been ideal. But no, it's great because it's just being acknowledged for something that you put all your heart and your passion and all your time and effort and money into something, and nobody's there to pat you on the back, you know. It's like, I do this with a partner, we pat each other on the back, and it's our little kind of secret world. And you know, I'm receiving these awards and being part of this community. It's just great, and you can, yeah, because you're in this world, you know, all on your own. It's like this Amazon world, you know, and you never really meet people who sell on Amazon. So to come to this and be part of the Johnny Bradley thing is just great, you know.
I mean, what's good about it is obviously, like most courses, it's, you know, it goes from start to finish. It saves you probably, you know, weeks, if not years of Googling and getting it right. But what's good about Johnny's course compared to a lot of other courses where you just kind of, you're paying for the course and then you're paying for the mentorship. I think what you get extra with Johnny's is he kind of creates this community and like a Facebook group as well. And you get events like this, and he keeps adding content to the course too. I remember reaching out to Johnny, I can't remember what the actual question was, but it was just it was a tiny question. I was expecting a small response, but Johnny gets back to me with an email and a link to a video, and you know, he goes through my listing and he just gave me a good 5-minute in-depth answer of exactly what I needed. And you know, next goal is of course 100K and then adding several more zeros.
Johnny cares so much about the success of his students. He's not one of those guys that will just, you know, give you a video tutorial and then you won't hear anything from him. You get a lot of support, a lot of interaction, and the community is just like that he's created is just absolutely brilliant.
Best impression is of course Johnny. It's like the way he like really cares for you to succeed. So like, we've been selling a year and we sold over like 300K already. So it's like, yeah, it's like, it was pretty fast. Because when one part is missing, then your whole business can go wrong, right? It's like when you have wrong pictures or wrong keywords or wrong description or wrong product from China or wrong supplier. So it's like caring about all and putting it right together, and Johnny does that very well because he's organized and he really cares for you to succeed.
It's been really, really fun just getting together with the 10K and 100K club members. They're still talking now, can't get rid of them. No, it's been going fantastically, and I think the main thing that everyone's saying is it's so good to have a community of like-minded people, like-minded sellers. So I would say if you are thinking about join, get into that 10K, 100K club, and the next event we do, come along to it. Doesn't matter where you are in the UK or in the world, they're super valuable to just network and spend time with other sellers. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do subscribe, do like the video, or if you've got any questions, leave them down below. And remember guys, you're just one product away. Bye-bye.